Alright, we are down here at the basement at the Spark by Hilton, formerly known as the Comfort Suites, here in Exton, Pennsylvania. And here we have a Lancaster Elevator with Jet Plus family resistant buttons. Here it is. Take out the 4. And we're stopping at 1. Going up?
Yep.
What floor, sir?
3, please.
3? Gotcha. Should anybody else going up? Alright, sir, you have a good night.
You too.
Thank you. Down in the basement. Very nice elevator for a Spark by Hilton property. Okay, this cabin has been renovated ever since we became a Spark by Hilton property. Capacity is 3,000 pounds. These are your Jet Plus family resistant buttons. Lancaster elevator. If you're in the basement, door indicator. Basement, and we'll end up at 1. Takes a little bit to level. Alright, let these guys go. And there's the elevator, and that will be it.